Hello everyone, I'm Jackson from Atomstack shop. Today I will show you how to make a wooden vase for your friends, wife or family members. As you can see, this is a wooden vase. Contains three parts: wooden shelf, glass, tube, and flower. Before making it, we need the Atomstack X30 Pro, laptop, goggles, assist, glass tube, 4mm painting wood, F3 cutting panel. First, certain lace parameters. Open the light bin. Importing fields in AI format. Set the speed as 300 mm per minute. Confirming the cutting range before cutting. Start cutting materials. Let's all the accessories that are cut. Now let's put them together.